Hello, Eli and Evie. This is Grandpa TV, and I'm going to read you a book. And it's called The Big Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. The big bulldozer drove on the construction site. Rumble, rumble, it went over the bumpy ground. The bulldozer. It was very early morning. "Good morning, big bulldozer," said the...
It's shiny.
Oh, okay. Should we start again?
Keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, we'll just...
Grandma Gigi wants me to keep going. The first job for the big bulldozer was to dig a big hole. You can see he's digging a hole here. The hole got deeper and deeper. "You woke me up, big bulldozer. He's gonna dig up that worm right there." The big bulldozer carried the soil across the construction site under the white cloud, on top of the black tires, inside of the yellow tractor, bulldozer. Backward it, forward it drove. When it went backward, it went beep, beep, beep. "There's no peace around here with that working big bulldozer." Trundle, trundle, it went over the lumpy ground. The big bulldozer dumped the soil in a heap. "Thanks, big bulldozer. That's just what I needed." The bear talking. I didn't know a bear could talk. Slump went the soil as it fell to the ground with fish bones, bricks, and pylons. The heap grew bigger and bigger. Now the builders could start work. The tired bulldozer took a rest. The driver read his newspaper. The man started building his wall with bricks. The man continued to saw his wood. But not for long, because it's work time, bulldozer! And that is the story of the big bulldozer.